Hi, Faith. Hi, Faith. There you go. Oh, yes, you're treating. Hold on. No, 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 let him eat this. It's raining. Okay. So, this is the bowl. And this small, well, the first baby bird was right in the middle of this bowl. And no nest. There, no nest. Anywhere above it, no nest on this side. The nests are there, there, so I don't know how a bird would get there. You can see there's from the nest to the bowl. Nest to the bowl. I don't know how that happened. Alright, sweet cheeks. Love you guys. The other baby bird. Okay, second baby bird was found right here on the stall floor. The nests are all up here. You can see them in the rafters. You've got the swallows that put their nest there, and then here in the stall building, that's where the sparrows tend to congregate. You can hear them in there. So yeah, that's the mystery.